First of all, I want to say congratulations to ADC as a political party, even though they are having some issues which I know that they will settle and then fix themselves off, except they lose guard and let the APC destroy whatever they are doing. That's what's up for them. Now, this is simple. Look at Kwankwaso. Kwankwaso has gone to the ADC. And I know that there are fake rumors flying everywhere that Kwankwaso went to ADC to become, what's his name? Peter Obi's vice. That's a big lie. Kwankwaso will never do that kind of thing, to leave NPP, where he's a grand commander, and go to ADC to become a vice president to Peter Obi. By the way, Peter Obi will not get any ticket. I've told you guys before, Peter Obi is not going to get a ticket. Peter Obi is not even part of the topic for this 2027 election. Let him continue doing what he's doing. Because why? He lacks capacity to be president. And I told you that I have 1 million proof in what I'm saying, that Peter Obi doesn't have the capacity to be Nigerian president right now, as at this point now, except he starts building it. And I'm happy that he's getting all this experience. This experience will help, broaden his knowledge and understand how politics really work, how the Nigerian politics and African politics really work. So now, what's his name? Abdulsalam Gwazo, the former deputy governor of Kano State, has decamped to the ADC, and there was a very massive grand reception that was done in Gwazo. You understand? My question I want to ask you now, that since the day when Peter Obi decamped go ADC, who will be the person when Peter Obi don't carry go ADC of value, aside from this nuisance obedient today online, they make noise? Who is the prominent person that has Peter Obi has brought to ADC in the political landscape of Nigeria? Because in politics, there's what we call political currency. If you don't have political currency, you are just making noise. And let me tell you, still this big airline, these guys that have been in politics, they know the value of political currency. If you're coming to a battle cannot influence other people within your level to take you, to follow you, you don't have any value in politics. They will just use you. You don't have. Because at the end of the day, if the people, if you say get support, vote you in, you will not have the ability to make any decision because the system is not with you. And that is the case of Peter Obi. Peter Obi has been in ADC for many months and he never fit pull one person, one heavyweight join him. Nobody. Aside from what be her name, this Mama P, Papa P, what that woman name? That Aboki woman with the reason for answers. What's her name? I've forgotten her name. That woman. And these other noise makers online making noise up and down. Politics is void of emotions. People should remove the emotions, keep one side, and look at what is going on. Look deep. Do the calculation. If I come make videos, hey, I've got the supporting people, hey, I've got the... That's not the matter. We are talking politics, Nigerian politics right now. I'm asking, since Peter Obi went to ADC, who be the person when Peter Obi don't carry go ADC? We get heavyweight. Who is the heavyweight that went to ADC because of Peter Obi? Nobody. Because he doesn't have anybody that he can take to ADC that will bring in value to the party. Nobody. He don't make anybody. He has not made anybody. He has not raised anybody to anywhere politically. Peter Obi has not even made a councillor before in his life politically. He has not raised anybody anywhere. So there is nobody. There is nobody. I have a video of Peter Obi, an interview he did some years back. I'm going to play that video after he left office, when Soludo took over. I'm going to play that video and I will explain. I told you guys that whatever I'm saying, I have something to prove it. Why I'm saying that this guy cannot do this job. Why I'm saying that this guy is not qualified for this job. If you don't go to school, no one like say, so you are a successful businessman. That doesn't mean you can be a successful political leader. The leadership of business and in politics is different. Because you are doing good in the private sector, that doesn't mean you can succeed in the public sector. No, let me tell you something. King Solomon was the wisest king in the world. But as a man, he was the most foolish man in the world. He was a foolish man, but a wise king. Two different things. So Peter Obi could be a good leader in his business sector, but a very poor leader in politics. That is why he couldn't handle Labour Party. He showed poor level of leadership in Labour Party. He lost the platform. He lost the structure. And you come and tell that you don't need structure. Now he's trying to go and hang himself with the criminal structure that he was insulting in 2023. You need structure. Over the years, you need to raise people that will stand by you. Not be people where they buy data, they can't find TikTok money and Facebook money and payment. No. Political structure is different from every other thing. Peter Obi is a good businessman, a good leader when it comes to business. But see this politics thing, I will rate him 2/10. Even that 2 say because of saying my brother, now make I give him 2/10. Look at this guy. Kwankwaso has brought in the former deputy governor of Kano State. Who has Peter Obi brought to ADC? That you think that Peter Obi deserves the ticket, that Kwankwaso will be his vice. Kwankwaso has brought value. He has brought the deputy governor and more people are coming in. But you think that it is Peter Obi that is good to be the president and Kwankwaso will be the vice. They're gonna take on a time.